Good day, lovely people. We're on day 11 of the March printing challenge from Jelly Arts. My favourite knot, splatter. So add splashes of colour. So what I'm going to do is gel print a load of dots and then I'm going to splatter. I hate splattering because I get it everywhere. I have set up myself a barrier around the back here because I do manage to get it everywhere. So I'm gonna play around. I got these, I can't even remember where I got these from. They were super cheap from somewhere. So I've got big dots, little dots. And what I'm thinking of doing is I've picked out these colours. I don't know if you can see them. I've got a pink, a turquoise blue. These are ones that I hardly ever use. And this lemon yellow, it's very weak because it's a cheapie from Home Bargains, but you know, we'll just add some of that on. And then I've got a fluorescent yellow here as well. And I might do the splatters in my other colour of fluorescent paints. They might show up. I don't really know, I'll be honest with you. So what I'm thinking of doing is, first of all, put the background of this yellow down. And we'll go from there. It all could go very wrong very quickly. I don't want a huge amount. As I say, it's not very pigmented. You'll probably see it's pretty transparent, I'll be honest with you. But I want a nice bright background. And it is a nice bright lemon yellow. This might not work. I say it every time, don't I? Not enough hands today, clearly. Right. I don't want to bother to try and keep the backs clean. It's never going to happen. All my hands. I'm dreading the splatters. I'm sat here now thinking, why splatters? Why do that to me? I get it on the phone, I get it on everything, but as I say, I'll put myself a barrier, so let's hope that we can stop a lot of that. Come off. Oh, blimey, you were suckered on there. Right, okay. I'm going to play with this bit, that's for sure. Right, I'm out of room already. So, what I want to do, I've got my little, I'll use this as a little palette. Let's put you there. Okay, I don't know what you're seeing, not a lot. Let me just move you over a little bit. Anyway, I'm just going to put some paint on here. Like I say, I don't use these very often, so these are from the range if you're in the UK. And they're not terribly expensive, I seem to remember. So we're going to go a bit dotty-tastic, okay? Let's put a couple of big ones. Okay, that'll do for the blue. I've now got blue paint everywhere. Marvellous. Let's just do that. I put far too much paint on there. It's fine, it's all got to dry anyway, so just leave it be. I'm going to do the same with the pink. This time, we're going to put a tiny squidge this time, Susie. Are you even open? Yes, you are. This is one of Hobbycraft's own brands. Not brilliant, but they're okay. They do the job. Yes, I thought we'd go with a really nice, colourful background. And then we can take it from there. You're not going to stick there now, are you? If you've just started gel printing, this is perfectly normal, okay? You end up with about 3,000 pieces of paper. Well, not that many, but, you know, quite a few. And you sit there and you go, I don't know what I'm going to do with all this. Right. So that was the red, the blue, sorry, the pink, the blue. The yellow's not going to show up. I should have got a third colour, shouldn't I? What should we do? Should we do a fluorescent orange? Or a fluorescent red, actually. Let's do that. Way too much blinking paint again, woman. What craziness. Forgetting about the big ones. So those ones underneath will be on top anyway, so right, it's probably looking very messy. Okay, I need to let that all dry and I'll come back to you. I think it's dry enough. I think the pink's still a little bit wet, but I don't mind if it smudges, I'll be honest with you, because I just want it to be a nice colourful background before I go hullabaloo with the splatters. I've changed my mind about the colours of the splatters. I think I'm going to go with the purple and a diner blue. I don't know. I really don't know what colours to do. I've been looking in my box down here and I'm like, I think I'm going to risk trying to pick it up with this lemon yellow again. I really want that bright background. Let's see. Roller, brayer, there you are. Okay, wish me luck. Let's see if it works. Whoop, that's my barrier, stay. If it will lift onto this bit, it might lift really well. Give it a bit of gentle persuasion. Right, well, it's lifted there, mostly. So it looks like I'm going to get a ghost print, which is cool. The ghost prints have been great. I've been using those on the Mixed Media March prompt that I'm doing alongside this one, so they're not going to waste. It might be fun. Let's see what we got. Did you work? Are you going to rip? Wow, that's spotty. Are the splatters even going to show up? Might have to do black and white. Whoa. Whoa. That's a trip. Woo. I don't think they're going to work, are they? I might just do, boringly, just do white. Because that's really going to show up, isn't it? And yeah, I think it's going to have to be a white one. That's a long way down. I don't know whether purple would show up. It is quite a deep one, actually. I thought the diner, because I thought it'd be shiny. Should I try all three? Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I did put out a palette. Where are you? There. Right, I'm going to put my third barrier back because you'll know exactly why in a minute. Right, so I've got this weird, I don't even know where I got this from, but it's quite good for splattering. Are you even in shot? Let me move you down a little bit there, because you're going to want to see this mess. Right, let's start with white. We'll start with the lightest and we'll work our way up to the darkest. Where's the open? Yeah. So just a little bit of water. I just want a little bit of paint. And here we go. It needs a bit more than that. It's got to be fairly loose. Ready? It goes everywhere. If it goes on the camera, I'm sorry. It's not even showing up. Did I dilute you too much? Here we go. Okay, the white is a success. We'll go with that. Just wash that out a bit. Right, we'll try the Diner Blue. Might be alright. Just a tiny bit. Because it's nice and shiny, see? I do love Diners. That's D-Y-N-A, by the way. That's how you spell it. And they're Pebeo paints, basically. PBO, Pebeo, potato, potato. I don't know how you, whichever way you pronounce it. Oh, they are showing up, actually. I would like some big drips, but I don't think that's going to happen. Oh, yeah, there we are. Oh. Yeah, it's going everywhere. There must be something that I do wrong, because I watch other people do this and they're like, it all stays in a very contained area. I've literally got it all over the back there. Right, last try. Purple. This might be quite spectacular, actually, looking at the way this is behaving. Let's just try the... little tiny spots, and then we'll try some big splatters. Ooh, that was a bit big. Right, I might make that do before I start pushing my luck. Although I didn't do any big white ones, did I? Let's keep it consistent. Just looked up there. Oops. Right, that's it. I'm stopping because I'm going to overdo it otherwise. Right, okay. I've got about 3 hours of tidying up to do, but I'm very happy with that. It worked. I'm trying to get it up to your height. Hold on. Look at that. Splattericious. Whoa. Right, okay. I'm going to call that a success. That really is just going to sit there and dry now. So I'll see you tomorrow for more fun and games. Right, okay, bye.